Hello, John. Welcome back. And in this tutorial, we're going to be talking about what are the p tags and how to use them. Yeah, when I say p tag, I definitely mean the paragraph tag. So for further information, let's dive into writing the code. So the first thing I'm going to do here is to create a new folder and then give it a name of p tag, and then open this folder up inside my code editor. So it opens up as I expected, and then I close this bar and I could just quickly type my index.html here, index.html, hit on enter, close the sidebar, and then bring out the normal document structure of an HTML, and perfect. So now I should quickly just change this tag and then I change it to paragraphs. Oops, paragraphs. So what is the next thing? So as I mentioned earlier, it is called a p tag, and then p tags has both opening and closing tag. So which when I do this, I open this p tag, and this is the p opening and closing tag. This is the opening tag and this is the closing tag. So, and one important thing you need to notice about p tag is you can next your text inside it. You can write any text inside the p tag. You just come here in between the opening tag and the closing tag and type any text you want. You can just type any text you want of your choice. So let me quickly type this, and I can save and see what happens inside my browser. So to open it in a browser, you definitely know what to do. Just go here, copy path, and then go to your favorite browser and paste what you copied and hit on enter. So you can see my text. Now my text appear. I love programming. So what next? What do you need to know more about p tags? So p tag is one of the blocks elements. When in my previous tutorial, when I treated block and inline elements, maybe you should probably check them again if you don't understand what I mean. So p is among the block elements. What does that mean? Let me quickly brief you what again. So what it does is when I add another p tag under here, when I add another p tag under here, it will definitely go down. It won't stay on the same line together with the previous one. And as you can see, instead of it to come just to appear next in front of the I love programming, no, it takes another new line. That's because it is a block element, not an inline element. That said, another thing you can do is you can next another inline element inside the p tag. So what are the inline elements we have? We have both the anchor tag and others. Let me use span now in this scenario. Span is one of the inline elements we have, so we can just do span. Now copy this text that's inside here and paste it inside the span tag. Well, inside the browser, we won't see much differences, and you can see there's no much differences. But what does that do? Actually, it means if you want to change the color, of this programming, yeah, let's say this I love programming appears in black, but you want to change the color of this programming, you want to turn it to red. And whenever you want to style it, you type the paragraph tag is going to style everything for you on this line. But what if you type this certain p tag? Then this programming is the one that will only contain that styling. I believe by now, if you haven't learned any part of the CSS, it may look confusing to you, but believe me, trust me, when we get to CSS, this is going to look cool. See you in the next one. Bye bye.